Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you one of the new tools that I just bought from GHD, and it's a 26 millimeters curling one. Curve is just this one, and I'm so happy because you can achieve this kind of beach and LA waves. So watch the video to see how I actually do it and enjoy. Okay, so I'm gonna start from the bottom and I'm gonna work all the way up. So this one is gonna go backwards, but this kind of waves you can do forward, backwards, like however you like. So what we want is the root area to be more wavy and the end to be a little bit more straight to achieve this kind of beach loose waves. Sorry. You guys, it's so easy. As you can see, you start from the root area and you make your way down, and like this, all the sections in your hair. Okay. Okay, so once we finish with the curls, we're gonna shake. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.